11 cute crochet cowboy outfits for boys. This free pattern shows you how to crochet a baby cowboy hat with a brim. This project lets you make fun cowboy and cowgirl outfits for babies. Make a small crochet cowboy hat for babies. Create a precious newborn set with this easy-to-follow crochet pattern. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make baby cowboy booties. Dress up your little one with this easy baby cowboy costume pattern. This free project shows you how to crochet a newborn cowboy hat and matching boots. Get ready for Halloween with this fun Woody-inspired crochet pattern. Crochet a complete Western outfit with this versatile pattern. Complete your little one's Western look with this adorable crochet vest pattern. Whip up a pair of rugged baby cowboy boots with this fun crochet pattern. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.